Most people will invest for 10, even 20 years and still not be able to retire, not because they chose the wrong ETFs, but because they never knew what number they were aiming for. They were investing without a target, and that is the mistake that quietly keeps people stuck. Because if you do not know the number, you cannot build a plan. So let's fix that. If you watched the last videos, you already know the system. 3 ETFs: VOO, SCHD, QQQ. Simple. But now comes the part that actually matters. How much do you really need to retire with this? Not guess, not hope, a real number. Because once you see it, everything changes. Let's start simple. Imagine your goal is $3,000 per month. That is $36,000 per year. Not luxury, but enough to cover real life. Now here's the reality most people avoid. If your portfolio produces around 4% per year, which is typical for traditional dividend investing, you would need about $900,000. That is the baseline. And this is exactly why so many people feel like retirement is impossible, because $900,000 feels far away. So they either give up or they start chasing shortcuts. But here's where the system changes everything, because you are not relying on just income. You are combining growth and income. Now take the same $3,000 per month, but instead of 4%, your system gradually moves towards 7% over time. Now your required capital drops to around $500,000. Same income, almost half the money. That is not a small difference. That is years of your life. Now let's go one step further. If your system becomes more efficient over time, not by chasing high yield, but by letting compounding do the work, you could move closer to 8%. Now your target drops again, around $450,000. Same $3,000 per month. And this is where things start to feel real. Because suddenly, this is not just theory. It is a target you can actually reach. Now let's raise the bar. What if your goal is $5,000 per month? That is $60,000 per year. At 4%, you are looking at $1.5 million. At 7%, around $850,000. At 8%, closer to $750,000. Same lifestyle, completely different path. And this is the part most people never think about. The strategy changes the destination, not just the journey. But here is something even more important: time. Because these numbers mean nothing if you are not consistent. Let's make this real. Imagine you invest $1,000 per month, every month. No matter what. Market up, you invest. Market down, you invest. Bad news, you invest. Good news, you invest. Now, assume an average return around 8%. After 5 years, you are around $73,000. Nothing life-changing. This is where most people start doubting everything. After 10 years, you are around $180,000. Still not enough to retire. And this is where most people quit, right here, because it feels like it is not working. But here is what they do not see. Everything is building under the surface, quietly, consistently. And this is exactly the phase that decides everything. Because if you push through this part, something starts to change. Not dramatically, but enough to notice. And that is where the system begins to take shape. And this is where things start to change. But in a way, most people almost miss. Because there is no big moment, no dramatic breakthrough, no point where everything suddenly feels different. Just a quiet shift. Your portfolio starts doing more of the work. Your contributions still matter, but they are no longer everything. And this is the stage most investors never reach. Not because it is complicated, but because this is where impatience shows up. This is where people start asking, why am I not there yet? Should I change something? Is there a better strategy? And without realizing it, this is where they break everything. Because right here is where the second engine becomes critical. SCHD. not to replace growth, but to support it. Now you are not just building size, you are building income. At first, it is small, almost easy to ignore. Maybe $50, maybe $100 per month. Nothing exciting. And this is where most people make the wrong move. They either ignore it or they rush it. They think it does not matter yet, or they try to maximize it too early. And both destroy progress. Because this is not about the amount. It is about the behavior. This is the moment your portfolio starts doing something new. It starts paying you. And when you reinvest that income, something powerful begins. Those dividends buy more shares. Those shares produce more dividends. And now your system has two forces working together: growth and income. This is where everything becomes stronger. This is where volatility becomes easier to handle. Because now, you are not relying only on price. You are getting paid, even when the market is flat, even when it is down. But here is the trap, and almost everyone falls into it. They see income and they want more, faster. So they chase higher yield, they jump into something else, they try to speed things up, and without realizing it, they break the system because they sacrifice growth for short-term income, and that slows everything down. This is the mistake that keeps people stuck. Not bad investing, but impatient investing. So instead, you stay balanced. You do not overreact. You do not chase. You let VOO and QQQ continue to grow. You let SCHD build steady income. You let the system develop. And then something happens. Somewhere between year 5 and year 10. This is where everything changes. Because now, compounding becomes real. Not something you read about. Something you actually feel. Dividends come in. They get reinvested. They buy more shares. And those shares start producing income of their own. And suddenly, you are not pushing the system anymore. The system is pulling you forward. Let's make this real. Imagine your portfolio reaches $400,000. At 6%, that is $24,000 per year. That is $2,000 per month. Now imagine $500,000. At 7%, that is $35,000 per year. Almost $3,000 per month. Now imagine $600,000. At 7%, that is $42,000 per year. $3,500 per month. And this is where things start to feel different. Because now, your portfolio is covering real expenses. Not everything, but enough to change how you live. And once you reach this stage, everything accelerates. Because now you have two engines: your monthly investing and your portfolio itself. And over time, one becomes stronger than the other. And that is the moment most people never reach. Because they quit before it. Or they keep restarting before it. But if you stay consistent, this is where the curve bends. And this is where everything you have been doing finally starts to make sense. Because retirement is not about hitting a perfect number. It is about building a system that pays you consistently, predictably, without needing perfect timing. If this helped you see the path more clearly, subscribe to Money Quest Broker. And if you want to go deeper, check the next video on your screen. And one more thing. This video is for educational purposes only. Investing involves risk. And different strategies perform differently depending on market conditions. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.